Hello, hello, hello. This is a Instagram Live re-recording. I was on Instagram Live not too long ago. I was there for about 30 minutes, answered some questions, tried to save the video and it did not work. So today I'm going to try to reenact some of the answers based on the questions that came up. So just to share a bit about myself, I've been running my marketing business for 7 years. I started out working for this accounting organization as a marketing lead. 2.5 years into doing that, while also working with a real estate company here in my city, I was able to leave my full-time job. I've been running this business for 7 years, but collectively full-time 5 years strong. And it feels very rewarding to be able to do what I love doing. And wanted to answer some questions, re-answer some questions, shall I say. So a question that came up was, what can I do about building my brand if I'm an entrepreneur and I'm nervous to show up online? And the answer that I gave was consistency truly is the key to success when it comes to creating a reputation for ourselves on the internet. I myself, I get nervous. Yes, the YEG marketer who shares a lot of content and videos every day also gets nervous. And I explain in the live stream a lot of the top actresses like Halle Berry and other actresses and actors are actually introverted or shy, or they have social anxiety in real life in big crowds. And so the answer to that truly is starting with baby steps. So that could be a 1-minute IGTV video that turns into 5 minutes, 5 minutes turns into 10 minutes, etc., etc. And also, if you actually want to do live streams, but you're nervous about showing up to do presentations or even just do video marketing live streams, some of the best things that you can do actually are to go live for 5 minutes, then 10 minutes, and do your best to do it once a week, because I know most of our parents, as we were growing up, would say practice makes perfect. So the more practice you get in getting in front of a live stream, answering questions, really entertaining people on your live streams, the more people will feel like they can trust you, that you are a loyal business owner, so on and so forth. Other questions that came up during the live stream, believe just feeling anxious, feeling nervous. It's something that comes up a lot. I get nervous before I go do my live streams or when I do my videos. And the answer to that really was, people are not necessarily looking at your content to find perfection. People follow us on social media. They follow your account, whether it's here on Instagram or other apps, to get something from you. That could be tips and advice, words of wisdom, inspiration, motivation, entertainment, an idea of getting to know you even more. I also shared in the live stream that I bought a mask, a mask that we all have to wear, from a company in Eastern Canada, although I live in Western Canada. And I was talking to my dad the other day and I told him that, and he said, why would you buy a mask from a retail company in Eastern Canada when you could have drove to a local store and got it, within driving distance? And I told him, because this company is constantly on my timeline. They're posting every day, multiple posts per day, and I could see the effort that they put into their photography and the model that they use for the clothing. And that's why I decided to go and pay for shipping for something that I could have just walked or drove to here in my city. So the last thing I just wanted to share with respect to the live stream I did is customers truly want to see you for who you are. You can stumble, you can make mistakes on your live streams, you can look nervous even, but even though people can sense that, people are truly compassionate about seeing what it is that you can give them at the end of the day. So everything that you share should be about an educational purpose, about the ingredients that you use, where you get your clothing manufactured, so on and so forth. It's the little things that count within a time where a lot of businesses are closing, or a lot of businesses are comfortable with the amount of customers that they have, that they are not going hard or going all in with their personal and business branding on social media. So I can't capture everything in 26 minutes that I did. Sometimes these apps have glitches, but it's a-okay. I just wanted to show up here and kind of recap some of the questions that came through on my live stream. If you have any questions at all, send me a DM. If you're new to my page, click the follow button. And if you want to watch longer live stream videos that you were not able to attend this year or previous years, click link in bio and check out my YouTube channel. Take care.